Field sobriety test, law enforcement's first line of defense against drunk drivers.
You've had a lot more than 3 drinks.
But police officers who pull over a suspected drunk driver have a new enemy on the road.
Officer, please understand that
It's called the Auto Pass 2000, or Ramsell's Roadside Rights, a wallet-sized kit that comes complete with a pre-recorded message for police.
Officer, please understand that I will only exit the vehicle for your safety or if under arrest. Please read the enclosed for additional information.
The message is recorded so people suspected of drunk driving, such as Bob Darling, cannot be accused of slurred speech.
He says, "You've had anything to drink tonight?" And I, being honest with him, I says, "Yeah, I had a couple beers, a couple hours ago at a meeting."
When Darling was pulled over, Lake in the Hills police wanted him to submit to a field sobriety test. Instead, he reached for his kit.
So I hand him the Auto Pass 2000, and I says, "Read the card." And so he read it, and he says, "Oh, you're one of these smart asses," and threw it back through the window and hit the driver's door. He says, "That's it, you're under arrest." I said, "For what?" He says, "For a DUI."
The kit's designed to keep police officers away from your window so they cannot look in your eyes nor smell your breath. It sells on the internet for about $100. The company's sold several hundred to date. It worked for Darling. He was acquitted, and it's the first time it's been used successfully. Auto Pass 2000 is the brainchild of Wheaton attorney Don Ramsell.
There's an assertion of rights form that tells the officer you will not do field sobriety tests, you will not consent to a search. If he wants to give you a blood test, you demand an independent test of your own choosing.
We showed the kit to Valerie Beavers, Chicago director of Mothers Against Drunk Driving.
That's unbelievable. Making it okay to drink and drive? Children have been killed. People have been maimed. Families have been taken out. I think it's a tragedy. I think anytime we can make it okay to do something wrong, anytime what are we saying to the families?
Familiar criticism to the wallet's creator.
Somehow, government and mad mothers have fooled the public into thinking that you have to prove it's okay for you to drive, and that's absolutely backwards. They have to prove that it's not okay for you to drive.
Driving is a privilege. It is not a right. Drinking and driving is a crime. To kill somebody is a crime. We have the right, though, to drive our streets safely. We have the right to expect that laws will be enforced. We have the right to expect to get from point A to point B safely. It is not a right to drink and drive.
Ramsell maintains that the kit he invented is merely a way to protect the constitutional rights of drivers.
Either you have proof somebody's guilty or you don't, and this kit doesn't make you guilty. It avoids you from being accused wrongfully of being guilty.
It is designed to let an innocent man go free. To date, there is nothing similar for innocent victims of drunk drivers.